Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel NATALIE TV. I am here today. I wanted to let you know that I will be in Montreal on April the 21st. It is going to be le Salon National de la Femme in Montreal, and I will be there on April the 21st, and I thought of letting you know. If ever you want to visit Le Salon de la Femme, either in the morning or in the afternoon, I thought of giving a specific point. So I will be at 1 o'clock. I will be at the vestiaire, where you hang your coats and your jacket. And this is the entry to the Salon de la Femme. So I will not be in the salon. I will be before you enter. So if you want to go to the salon, then you can buy a ticket and you can go to the Salon de la Femme. Or if you just want to come and see me, that will make my day, that will make my year. If you would come and meet with me, you don't need to go to the Salon de la Femme because I will be before the entry. I will be located before you actually pay for the ticket. So I will be there from 1 o'clock until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So if ever you want to visit the Salon de la Femme before, I'm not sure of the hours, but I will put the link below so you can have all the details. And or if you want to visit the Salon de la Femme after meeting me, then you can have all afternoon to visit the Salon de la Femme. There's a lot of exposants, some kiosks that are there, everything beauty related, everything well-being related, everything about women. So I thought of visiting the salon myself. I usually visit the one here in Ottawa, close to where I live, but this year I wanted to make it special, so I thought maybe we can do a little meetup about the Salon de la Femme, and I will be visiting the Salon de la Femme for that day. So on Saturday, April the 21st, I myself will visit the salon in the afternoon after having meeting with you between 1 and 2 o'clock. I sincerely hope I can meet you over there, even just for a few minutes, even if it is just to say hello. I would absolutely love it. And I just want to say, I hope you're not feeling shy, or you're not thinking, oh, I'm not gonna go because there's gonna be too many people. That's not the case. This is no celebrity here. It's just NATALIE. It's just NATALIE. So I don't want you to be shy. I don't want to create that impression. I am relatable in person, I think, than here behind my camera. So it would please me a lot if you can make an effort to come and visit me. So I will be there. I think you can recognize me. I will be, like I said, before you actually go in, where you put your jacket and everything. All of those research has been made by Christine, a friend of the channel. She went for me. She visited the location where the Salon de la Femme is held, and she went and to see where would be a good place for us to do that special little meetup. And as a recommendation, we decided it was going to be at Le Vestiaire. So what I thought of doing is putting all of the information in writing, but I just said everything here today. It's April 21st between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock at Le Salon de la Femme in Montreal, in the area where there's the vestiaire. The vestiaire word will be written here in English. It's where we hang our jacket. That's all I wanted to do today. I just wanted to come and let you know that I was going to be there, and that I absolutely would love for you to come and say hello. Have a beautiful rest of the week, and we will see each other in my next video.